I woke up very late because my alarm didn't ring. I quickly got up and ready for the day, and while preparing breakfast, I almost burned the dosa, and because I was checking my phone, and after eating, I reached my work on time, and even though morning was so stressful, and I completed my work successfully, and I felt at the night I felt very proud for myself because I completed morning work successfully, and in the during the lunch break I shared the situation with my friend, and we laughed, and I also realized the managing the time properly, and from the next day I started to uh, I started to sleep early, and now my days are very organized and peaceful.
Okay, very good, Shilpa. So, Shilpa, coming to the correction, starting early, sentence we used didn't anta. So, pronunciation I want to correct here. So, didn't anta ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಡಿಡಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದರ್ ಸೇ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಡಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇ ಡಿಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಒಂಚೂರು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್.
ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೀವೇನೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, ಲೈಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ out, you buy yourself a nice cake or ice cream. So however you can say I got ice cream for myself. Atara. Okay, so proud anta bandaga it should always be of, proud of myself, proud of my children, proud of my husband. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so these were the corrections, Shilpa. Other than that, whatever you've used, I almost burnt dosa antella helidira alva. So almost burnt dosa antella ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ. So keep that. Very good.
Okay, thank you.